everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with a haul from Peppermint Planner. She is right now in a sale. This is October 12th. I'm not sure exactly when I will get this up. I'm hoping it's before the sale's over, but her prices are phenomenal anyway, so go check her out. I actually ordered 2 from her, and I'm just getting them out, so I apologize. Let me get my little paper out. It's telling what it is. First you get jelly with the hugs. Cute. It's a sticker, y'all, by the way, so just to let you know. Alright, and then I got the breast cancer awareness kit, and this one was I think this is the add-on to it, so let me get to the kit itself. Real quick, here is her bunny butt rewards. So every time you get one of those, you can put it on the card. I don't think I have a card. I don't have a card handy with me, y'all, so I apologize. So, okay. So here is the breast cancer awareness kit. Here are your full boxes. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment boxes. Your habit trackers, your meals, your to-dos, more habit trackers, your don't forget this week, remember grown-up crap next week, your flags, not today, rescheduled, scallop, and then living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Functionals, excuse me, it's the freaking weekend banner, which I love because I love that it's flags. Plan, happy mail, coffee break, or coffee first, pay bills. I mean, she has everything on here. Everything. Your full check boxes. So cute. Your bottom washi and your washi strips. And then 3 check boxes with scallops. And they're ombre. Here is your day covers with your date dots. Your glitter washi. And then this was the add-on, or a freebie, and it's a weekend and some half boxes, quarter boxes, and some of the Jelly Bee doing her thing. And then I ordered the self-check and the hand-drawn cancer awareness. Isn't that cute? So adorable. Alright, and then the second order, and I love how she has bunny hugs Cricket. She makes everything so personal. Alright, and this is the second order. This is hugs again, and then another bunny sampler. And then I got these because these are for my fibro. They're quarter boxes. And then this one says Flare from Hell. And then I couldn't help myself. She is adorable. I cannot stand it. Doing laundry. And that's Ken, I believe. And then Life Happens, Coffee Helps. And that's Lolly P. Then Ken showing off her planner. Let's see if I can get it up close. How cute. And then Ken with her planner and coffee. Very cute. Very, very cute. Love Peppermint Planner. Anybody that knows me knows that I love me some Peppermint Planner. So go check her out. You will not be disappointed. I will have her link down in the description below. Let her know that I sent you. I didn't get a card, but I usually use, I think her name's, I will have who I use in the description below as well. So I think it's Krys is how you spell it. I know it's a little bit different spelling. So, all right, y'all. Have a good, awesome day. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.